Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you how to do this look. So bear with me, it's not the best. So first I'm going to do is prime my face with the Fenty Beauty primer. And I'm just going to rub that with my face. My face already moisturized and everything. So I'm just going to rub that all over my face. Next thing I'm going to do is do my eyebrows, the ABH Dip Brow Pomade, I think is how you say it, in Ebony. Don't mind how I'm over exaggerating my brows right now. They are a mess and thin, so I'm just going ham on it. And then I'll clean it up later. I'm going to go with the brow powder just to, fill it in and then also even it out. And then I'm going to clean it up. I use the LA Girl Pro Concealer to clean it up. I'm just going to clean the underneath my brow and then also on top of it. Just do it on both sides, and don't worry, once everything is all done, it's gonna look fine. And I'm gonna go with the ColourPop concealer in the shade Deep 70 to conceal my lid, because when you want to put the shadow on, you want it to be on an even base so the colors show out more. And then I'm gonna blend it out using a nice fluffy brush that also has depth to it, so it can just blend everything out nice and even. And I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette to start off. I love this palette because of the colors. I'm yet to experiment with them. I'm just going to use a nice shade. I'm using this shade as my transition color. And then I'm going to add more colors on top of it later, as you would see, but this is to start off to make it nice and blended out. I'm going to use the Nubian 2 palette, also from Juvia's Place, and I'm going to be using that color right there. It's a deeper color than the transition one that I used. I'm just going to put it right underneath the crease area to give it some depth. And then I'm going to use a black shade to also deepen that crease area. Because you just don't want it one shade. You want it nice and blended out. And I'm going to go back with that transition color and just blend the whole thing out. And then I'm going to go back with that same concealer that I used and just go right underneath, like on top of my eyeballs, I guess, and just go kind of halfway almost on my lid. And then I'm going to use this ColourPop eyeshadow. I think it's called the Supernova shadow. You can use any color you want. I decided to use this one because I got it recently for the holidays and I haven't tried it out before. And then I'm going to go back with that black shade that I used. You can use any black, doesn't matter. And then I'm going to deepen that crease and then blend it out again with the black and the transition color, just to make everything nice and smooth and even. And then I'm going to draw my eyeliner. If you can freehand, you go ahead. I'm yet to master that, so I'm just using tape right now. And then I'm using the Urban Decay. I got this from Sephora as a free sample, so why not use it? You can use a liquid liner, which I'm gonna use, but I like the smoky one because it just makes it more it fits the look, I guess. And then the rest is, you don't really need to know more about it, I guess. I'm just going to do the rest of my face. If you want to know how I do my foundation routine and everything, that's for another video. But I'm just including this on there so you guys can see how, just what I do. And my camera cut from there. I don't know why, but I'm using my phone, so I guess it died. And this is a finished look. I just added lashes, and I put a bottom shadow on there with the same transition color that I used. And this is the finished look. It's polished. Please don't mind my baby hairs because they aren't set. I just literally got out of bed and I'm like, let me just film this. But yeah, thanks for watching.